Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel where we talk about the latest developments in web development and technologies. In this series, however, we are going to cover the new Elementor AI. The Elementor AI is a suite of AI-powered tools that are built into the Elementor website builder. It allows users to generate text, generate code, even images for the website, all using artificial intelligence. It is currently in the early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way websites are built, and it can help users to save time and create more professional-looking websites, even if they don't have any coding experience. What's great about Elementor AI is that if you already have Elementor Pro or Elementor hosting, you do get a free trial of Elementor AI, so that's what we'll go over in this series of videos. So if you want to stay updated with the latest tips in using AI in your web development, stick around and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. Elementor, as you know, is a page builder plugin used for WordPress website, and it allows you to very easily build out your web pages without the need of coding. So all of the elements and sections are pre-coded for you, and you just drag and drop different elements onto your website. So Elementor have a new update coming out called the Elementor AI, and judging from what's on the page, the AI is there to help write or improve your website text, translate your website text, create images, and generate custom code without ever having to write coding languages yourself. So Elementor already works similarly in this way, in that you don't have to code anything in order to build any part of your website. Everything can be drag and drop. Everything is very easily accessible. But now they're taking that one step further and allowing you to write and design with AI as well. It's currently not out yet. They are still yet to provide a release date, but from the video there's lots of features that they've already hinted at, and things like their write with AI. So writing in, for example, the title and then the text boxes will allow you to write with AI, and then you can from there choose different translations. You can change the tone, you can ask your AI to ask your text to make longer and shorter and things like that. So already it's a really useful kind of way to write the content for a website, as content writing for a website can take time. If you're not doing it yourself, then it can be expensive to get content written for you. So if there is AI that allows you to write the content for you within the builder, that not only saves time but also probably some costs, as well as make it a bit more convenient as well. What's also really cool about the AI feature is that you can also code with the AI. So in the custom CSS, you can see that your user is just typing in what they want the coding language to do, which is to give it a filter and change the border radius on hover. And they just typed in what they wanted the CSS to do, and then the AI has written the code itself and pasted it in here. So again, it's a really cool way to kind of use the AI feature, as you don't even need to know any kind of coding language. You can just ask the AI to write the code for you, and all you need to do is write what you actually want it. So that is really interesting, and that's a really kind of fun way to kind of see how the AI can work, not only just for text writing but also for code writing as well. So to find out more, you can just go into Elementor's website and view this video here. There's still a lot left to kind of be revealed, and they've yet to kind of set up a release date. However, when this does come out, it will be something that can save you lots of time and be a bit more effective with your design and your development as well. One thing that you can notice from the video is that there's this little upgrade button, meaning that this AI feature might be a paid feature, in which case whether or not there's something that would fit your budget or is something that'll be worth the price is yet to be determined. But interesting to know that this is something that they're working on, and definitely something that will be fun to experiment with and play around with once it comes out. And that's a wrap on our Elementor AI getting started video. In our next few videos, we will cover how to use the image editing tools, prompt enhancers, and the code generator as well. Elementor AI is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for website builders of all levels and experiences. It can help users create more professional looking websites more quickly and a lot more easily as well. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and any questions, leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next one.